Hey there, automotive enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of diagnostics with the UDIAG CR800 OBD2 Scanner. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this compact device is about to become your new best friend. Stick around as we explore its features and capabilities. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. First things first, let's talk about design. The UDIAG CR800 boasts a sleek and ergonomic design, fitting comfortably in your hand. The user-friendly interface on the high-resolution display makes it easy for anyone to navigate and access the scanner's features. Supports all 10 modes of OBD testing. This means you can read and clear diagnostic trouble codes DTCs, view live data streams, and perform other tests to help you diagnose and fix problems with your car. One-click hotkeys. The CR800 has 3 hotkeys that give you quick access to commonly used functions such as I or M readiness, VIN, and DTCs. Battery tester. This is a handy feature that lets you check the health of your car's battery without having to open the hood. Easy to use. The CR800 is very user-friendly, even if you're not a mechanic. The interface is simple and straightforward, and the included manual is easy to follow. How to use the UDIAG CR800 OBD2 Scanner. 1. Plug the scanner into the OBD port of your car. This is usually located under the dashboard, near the steering wheel. 2. Turn on the ignition, but don't start the engine. 3. Select the function you want to use from the menu. 4. Follow the on-screen instructions. This powerful scanner is equipped to read and clear diagnostic trouble codes DTCs, providing you with insights into your vehicle's health. It supports a wide range of protocols, ensuring compatibility with most OBD2 compliant vehicles. But it doesn't stop there. The UDIAG CR800 allows you to access real-time data from your vehicle's sensors. Check engine RPM, coolant temperature, fuel system status, and more, all at your fingertips. One of the standout features of the UDIAG CR800 is its extensive vehicle compatibility. Whether you drive a domestic or import, a sedan or an SUV, this scanner is designed to work with a wide range of makes and models. Works on most vehicles sold in America or Europe or Asia with a model year of 1996 or newer. It supports all OBD protocols ISO 9141, KWP2000, J1850PWM, J185041, 6, and can controller area network. It also supported 8 languages. Here are some pros and cons about UDIAG CR800 OBD2 Scanner. Pros: affordability, ease of use, one-click hotkeys. Battery tester, supports all 10 modes of OBD testing. Cons: limited functionality. In conclusion, the UDIAG CR800 OBD2 Scanner is a must-have tool for anyone looking to take control of their vehicle's diagnostics. Its sleek design, powerful functionality, extensive compatibility, and smart connectivity make it a standout choice in the world of OBD2 scanners. Ready to unleash the power of diagnostics in the palm of your hand? Visit our website or your favorite automotive retailer to get your hands on the UDIAG CR800 OBD2 Scanner today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more automotive insights and reviews.